I'm so happy right now.
Listen.
I don't know why, I just am, because it's so beautiful out here. I just woke up and just was like, it was 4 o'clock in the morning, and I was telling myself I need to do a sunset shoot or a sunrise shoot for photos and stuff like that, but I just wasn't feeling it and didn't want to do it. And then I finally got up around like 5:45 and it was like, I need to go to the nearest beach, whatever, and catch the sunrise. And look how, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this looks. I'm so happy. I don't even know, like, it's just, you can't beat it. You can't beat it, okay? It's so beautiful. I love this so much.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, the dreams that she dreamed of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. The dreams that she dreamed of, dreams really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over